So the old sauna does have this amazing earth roof here, which is just covered in plants. And I don't do anything to take care of that either. I do nothing to take care of that roof. But it's really ended up being a beautiful roof and a great success. Certainly it's nice to have it on a sauna for insulation. Also, there's no noise from the rain. Now look at this. This is a curtain here of all these I guess it's jasmine vines that have come down and taken over this whole area. And that's kind of cool, actually. I've got a shower here that's a cold water shower, and nobody wastes cold water, right? So they come out of the sauna, they're too hot, and then they get a cold shower, and they can scrape all that dead skin off. Now this is the worst designed sauna I've ever seen. It's got this wonky ass chimney here, because before the chimney went up through here somewhere, I was catching the wall on fire. And the firebox we had to move outwards, which decreases its efficiency. That's because it was inside in the dark. And I remember specifically it was crammed with people. And I was afraid that she was going to like burn her leg on the firebox. She didn't, but it scared the hell out of me. We've got this thing here to keep wood in. I'd rather have it, to keep fire in, heat in. Really not awake. And then a blanket here as well. But the problem of doors being opened with saunas is that it lets all the heat out, right? And then people get very upset. I haven't been in here in years. There might be animals in here. Anyway, we've got a window over here that's double pane. We got a little window over there. It would be nice to get more light in here. And in the future, I'll use a double pane window. We've got seating in here, which I guess you can't see. And it's a wood-fired sauna with a stone wall, so it takes forever to heat it up. That's pretty annoying and bad. Ow! Fuck! God damn it! God damn it! Fuck. That was that wooden thing to keep the fucking heat in. One more case of very bad design of something that is my fault. Okay, that should not exist like that. It should never fucking exist. God, I hate bad design so bad, and I hate the fact that I built something with bad design. This building needs to be converted into something else entirely. There should be a tunnel that you go up into, a very comfortable large sauna that is very well lit, with double pane windows, that's always warm, so more people can use it. Fucking, that's concussion level hit there. Ow! God, it pisses me off when, I look at the world and I see all this bad design everywhere, and it really pisses me off. I don't know if I'm going to get blood out of that, but it really pisses me off when it's my own fault. And, so that's one of the reasons I make videos, is so people can criticize my ideas. Oftentimes their criticisms and suggestions are contradictory. That's okay. But out of that, we'll somehow come up with a set of solutions that actually work for us. Here's this slippery, way too steep. God damn it! Fuck. Way too fucking steep! Concrete with slippery leaves on it. Ramp. When I hire people, sometimes they build really stupid shit that's actually dangerous. It's not uncommon, unfortunately. God damn it. Fuck. So I can either build a place that's really fun and excellent, or I can build a place where people come and get injured. Which do you think I would prefer? Fuck. Motherfuckers. A lot of times when people build things with bad design, they think they're saving money, but they're actually building hazards. They're causing cost, and I don't like it.